Boys are revealing. Kylix is here. And how to speedrun on this game. 3, 2, 1. Use catch right now. Catch with from here. And I'm gonna jump there. I do not jump over here, there, no. Here. Oh wait, we're gonna go here, handle, there, and then over here. And this game is touch easy. You go first. Oh wait, you can do it. You can do this. That's my game. This is perfect. We can jump. Oh, we can fly down. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna skip already. Skip. Or maybe this one. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're going. Here. Speedrun. I love speedrunning. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Did I do this again? Oh. I know it now. Jump. Ooh. Pod. But not. What? Pod. Wait for the pod. Oh wait, you can't. Just go away. I'm so good at this game. Wait. I think I'm jump over here, I know it. Let's go speedrun. This is Kylix. Okay. This is Roblox. This game is called Obby. Did you hear that sound? Checkpoint first. What is this? Shotgun? Ow! Wait, is that for Minecraft? Oh my god. Then, oh my god. Oh wait, can I go to shotgun? Jump across. Do not go to shotgun. Wait, this is a cactus? That is a cactus. Let's go. You purple? Yeah, you're purple. Where are we gonna see them? No, we're wrong way. You're wrong way, bro. You're wrong way. How did you cross that? But there's an east. Oh wait. Thanks, newbie guy. But I must say you are pro. Wait, there's nothing. Jump here and jump. Yeah. Where's the newbie guy? No birds cat at this point. Then let's go speedrun. This is easy. The first one die yet. Oh my god, I lose. I should have said before. It's so fast. That is really hot. Wait, it's working. Nope. What's down here? Down here, let's check. Ooh. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell something about you. That I was not doing the my videos, just my old videos. Sorry guys, but I am videoing now, so this can be hard. Can't. And jump. Did I say that? Yeah. And now fall this easy. But this is the easy way. Where should we go? Jump. Oh, phew. Yes, we can pass now. Where are we going? Okay. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. Ooh. Oh, that was close. Really, guys? Let me reset. I'm gonna do it again. It's hard. Hey, purple guy. Let's. I know this now. Do this. I know this. Now this. Not fall again. No. What is me? Ooh. This is a short. Relaxing. Cool. Oh. Nope. Just for doing the date. No. I'm doing it again. God, do not caps lock. Super dark. Now caps lock. Caps lock time. Caps lock time. Caps lock is so perfect. Caps lock. Caps lock. Caps lock. You're the best. Caps lock. Caps lock. You know that song? No. Ah. Oh my god. Wait, somebody died, right? No. So dark. So dark. No. Oh, geez. No, somebody died. Yeah. God. Please let me help me. Oh my god. Well, guys, let's play another game. Yeah, I know, right? Play another game. Just wait. Blam. We're here. And follow me, okay, guys? My name is Sky. Woo. We're going to be... Oh, by the way, guys, it's Gurma's birthday in 2 days. Oh, wait, 3 days ago. Okay, guys, what do you want to go, guys? Pick. Animal Simulator, you want? Okay. Wow, button there. See there, pick that. What is this? Live inside the spider cave. Let's try that. What is that? Your goal is to kill the spider. X drop found items and next press R on keyboard to run or click button spider dice used. Could be the next one. Weapons randomly spin around like spiders. You can run. How to run? How do we run? That is so loud. Oh, medkit. Did I heal the friend? Yes or no? Yes, you want? But I want. Go. Heal them all. Heal them all. Heal the friends. Heal the friends. Heal the friends. Go, 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 go. Reload, reload, reload. Loki, no. By the way, guys, go. I took. Yeah. But first, drink. Come on, guys, kill them all. By the way, guys, like and oh my God, we can win this. It's okay, we can win this. Let's go help. Hatchery, look back. Yes, let's go, we win. We win. We win. We win. Oh, I think I'm just... Yeah. Right here. Okay, where's this? Oh, there. Fast mode. Wait, we did. Go! How? What did you do that? What is this stuff? Oh, run, yes. Fine. Stop. Cause 20 kills. What do we got killed? Wolf fighter, repeated blue. Wait, me. Coming more soon? Wow, that's cool. Wait, where is it? I'm the spider! Let's go! Let's go, let's kill someone, let's kill. Good at this game. Ooh, eat turtle. Heal. Yum time. How do they have no gun? Loki, come here. You're dead. Loki from the Avengers. You're dead.